What's up, YouTube? So before we start the video, follow me on Instagram right here, Forster. It's got my symbol on it as I post all of the projects that are coming to my channel before on Instagram, so go check that out. So I'm also pretty famous on Instagram. I got 7 followers, so you know I'm all the way up there. But anyway, guys, I hit 1,000 subscribers. That's just I remember I was it's a year-old channel. Hit 1,000 subscribers. I mean, you know, maybe a little late, but still pretty cool. So today we're making this nice Spider-Man mask with these moving eye lenses. So we got that confused. We got shocked, mad. I don't know. We got the the bored. I'm bored. Then you got the sad face. All right. So yeah, without further ado, let's just jump into it. Let's just do it. All right. So before we can get to this, we have to make the template first. So I did not have a template in the description, but this is actually much easier to do than you think. Basically, you're going to want to make a circle as big from your eye to your nose, and then you're going to want to take that and you're going to want to draw a line completely across that way, line completely down this way, and line completely down this way. Then add a little tiny curvature right there, and then you get the eye. So then for this part, you're just going to take a prototype for this, and you're going to find out how big this part is, and then add a little thing, and that's what that is. Alright, so let's cut that out, and we'll start building it. Now that I cut that out, you can trace the exact same thing again on another piece of cardboard, and then you'll have 2 of these things, so you can sandwich this thing and the little fabric stuff in between that, and yeah, so let's do that. So, first off, you're going to need some fabric. Make it relatively stretchy. Pick whatever look you want. This is kind of cottony, what like looks in the movie. But, you know, do whatever you want because creativity. Now, then you're going to want to cut this out into relatively the size of your head from the side. It's going to look like a blobfish. So it's going to look like a blob with eyes, and that's how you know you're doing good. Then cut 2 of them out. Take these 2 pieces, hot glue them together. Take it inside out like this. And boom, you finished. It looks beautiful. Good job. Step 2. Put the mask on your face. Step 3 might hurt a little bit, but you're gonna hot glue these things to your face. See, it doesn't hurt at all. Not at all. So there you have it, guys. Your very own Spider-Man mask with moving eye lenses. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment. Make sure you see the next video, which is the literal biggest project I've ever done on this channel. Thank you for 1,000 subscribers. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Okay, goodbye.